Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best dog food for pit bulls that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Bully Max High Performance Dog Foods. Bully Max has created arguably the best dog foods available in the market for your puppy. Formulated with only premium ingredients, devoid of artificial flavors, additives, and hidden chemicals, it is sure to provide the perfect blend of nutrients for your pit bull. Pit bulls are biologically wired to be a more muscular and larger breed than other dogs. Bully Max dog food contains the high protein and fat content needed for your pup to grow strong and healthy. Research shows that pit bulls need more than 40% of their diet to come from protein and 20% from fats. Bull Max packs in 30% more protein and 20% more fat than its other counterparts. And all of this protein and fat comes from high-grade protein sources, a class above the most traditional plant and soy-based products on the market. This achieves the perfect amino acid ratio for the health, bone, and muscle development of your dog. With the premium quality of ingredients, a 3-step testing system to ensure food safety, and the massive amount of calories, 535 per cup, Bully Max rounds up to be the best food that you can feed your pit bull. Moving on at number 4, we have the IAMS Proactive Health Large Breed Adult Dry Dog Food. IAMS Proactive offers the great health benefits of premium dog food at a significantly lower price. Formulated with a touch less meat and more greens, fruits, and grains than Bully's, it still packs quite a punch with its premium chicken and egg-based formula. IAMS is formulated with glucosamine and chondroitin sulfates, both of which are compounds that aid enormously in proper bone and joint health, and the amino acids from the protein sources aid in muscle development. As well as that, it contains healthy omega-3 fatty acids to give your furry friend's coat the shiny gloss it deserves. IAMS ingredients are naturally sourced and easily digestible, thus boosting your dog's metabolism and immune system, keeping your pit bull strong, stealthy, and healthy. As its main ingredient is chicken, IAMS gives your pit bull the protein content it needs to be and stays in tip-top shape. The specially formulated kibble with glucosamine and chondroitin sulfate is designed to aid bone and joint development, all at a reasonable price point. At number 3, we have the Diamond Naturals Real Meat Recipe Dog Food. Made with cage-free chicken and love, Diamond Naturals offers an optimum ratio and blend of proteins, grains, antioxidants, and fats to guarantee your pet has the right nutrients suited to its needs. The amino acid profile allows maximum muscle growth, the superfoods aid in absorption and digestive health, and the fats aid in the structural integrity of the body. No preservatives, additives, and artificial flavors allow it to be wholly the same and natural for consumption, so you know exactly what's going into your canine companion's body. Diamond Naturals formula possesses all that is required for the health and happiness of your pit bull, and it does so with high quality and flair. Therefore, it is our last contender on our list. At number 2, we have the Eukanuba Adult Dry Dog Food. Chicken is the prime ingredient in Eukanuba's adult dry dog food offering, supporting lean muscle development and overall bodily nutrition. It also provides a special one-of-a-kind fiber system made from natural beetroot pulp and probiotics that supports nutrient absorption, thus promoting a healthy GI tract and digestive system. In addition, it contains minerals and vitamins that support skeletal development, skin and coat health. The specialized fiber system gives Eukanuba the cutting edge in digestive health for your pups, making it one of our solid choices. And finally at number 1, we have the Blue Buffalo Wilderness Grain-Free Adult Dog Food. Blue Buffalo Wilderness's grain-free dog food is a prime choice if you're looking for a high-protein, low-carb infused nutrition product for your canine companion. These meet the energy and nutrient requirements needed for your pup to grow into a healthy, shiny individual. It is high protein, grain-free, and naturally sourced, thus promoting your dog's immune, skeletal and muscular system. As well as that, the product is naturally grown, with the purest of ingredients. The added blend of healthy antioxidants promotes an ideal oxidative balance to support your pup's hopefully active lifestyle. The ideal composition and balance of nutrients make Blue Buffalo Wilderness's dog food another of our favorite. Thanks you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.